Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about split max air conditioner, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, the Split Max air conditioner claims to be a compact, easy to install portable AC unit. However, reviews and reports tell a very different story. Despite advertising a California base, the company is actually Chinese owned, and the product you receive is more of a tiny heater with a fan that provides natural cooling air rather than a true air conditioner. Many buyers say the unit is about 12 inches long, much smaller than advertised, and comes with brackets requiring drilling for installation. Customers face huge hassles when trying to return the product, with the company demanding returns to China at the buyer's expense, even encouraging misleading customs declarations. The product has drawn attention from the FTC, state attorneys, and even the FBI due to numerous complaints. In short, it's described as a cheap plastic device with a low-powered fan that doesn't cool effectively. For the final verdict, based on user reviews and official complaints, the Split Max air conditioner appears to be a scam. The product doesn't perform as promised, and the company's return policies are deliberately difficult and questionable. Now, thanks for tuning in. If you're looking for a reliable air conditioner, it's best to avoid the Split Max and stick with trusted brands. Drop your experience below if you've tried it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe out there.